paid. So let's say button B, there's a label means a variable. If you do not use the button graphical components again, you do not have to. So you can simply say button. But later, if you want to use that button to manipulate, then you need to assign that button components to a variable. Button and button components can say, the button can be drawn, and then there is a button message, button, the annotation calls exit. So user can click on that button. Now what you need to do is, you need to put some action components. As button is clicked, what are you going to do? Right? There is something that you need to do implementation of your business logic. For example, tax calculation. You click button, then you need to have another definition, another function where you need to implement all the business logic about tax calculation, for example. So in this case, okay, that button is clicked. What command that you want to do? But exit may be already defined. I'm not sure, but save it and run. See what happens. Currently, that is running, so we have to close the previous graphic. What is that? Abstract. Yeah, peg is not working, so you do not need to do peg. Why? Peg is not usually works for grid components. So without that, then it works in this way. Oh, there's no button. Button is not appeared. Button about text exit. Say button command tab. All right. Oh, we need to define read after second row and the second column. I want to, that is the position that I want to display button. And save it and run it. Then you can see a button here, right? This is the first column and this is the second column and first row and second row. Clearly. If you click this, then it disappears, right? Because this exit itself is predefined function. If it is not, then you have to define text. I mean, text and then command equals some function. Define it. You have to define this function. If you do not define this function, what happens is that you have an error. It's not defined. Oh, it's not? There's no error? It should be, but it's not. Oh, I think it, hold on a second. Let me try another way. Fine, this should be, well, still okay. But anyway, it is not defined, right? So, further doing this, if we want to do your program, simply, then it works somehow, right? If we click this, it's not print. Print should be printed here. Print we'll do later. All right. I don't know why it is not printed. Click this, and you should have a print here. But anyway, we'll fix that a little later. And let me close.